All right, y'all, look at that steam. I got my turkey neck red pea stew. What's up, rollers, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Nick. I am your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and I want to thank you all for inviting me into your kitchens for yet another year, another month, another day, and another episode. So sticking with the Jamaican theme, today we are going to be cooking some stewed peas with turkey neck. So if you from Jamaica or if you know about Jamaican dishes, you know stewed peas is also a Jamaican classic. You know, they do it with different kinds of meat. They do it with pork, but I'm going to be using turkey necks. So for this recipe, I am going to be using some red peas. So these we're soaking for 3 hours because you want to soak your peas first so they can cook more easily. And then I also have a pack of royal smoked turkey necks. So let's waste no time and let's get cooking. All right, y'all, before we move forward, I want to give a huge shout out to MJ Drinks for these drinks. Thank you so much. They taste so good. They're refreshing. They have so many different flavors. I encourage you all to go check them out on Instagram. Purchase from them. Their Instagram link is going to be right here. MJ Drinks, MJENDRINKS. They taste so good. They're so refreshing. They have different benefits for each of the drinks. We have pineapple guava here. We have sorrel blast. We have pineapple sunshine. We have beetroot infusion. Check them out. Purchase from them. They're so great, and I don't regret buying from them. Thank you so much again, MJ Drinks, for these drinks. All right, y'all, for reference, we have 3 cups of red peas. Red peas, we're gonna put, don't judge me, I'm still moving in, kinda, not really, but we're gonna be putting this in the skillet in order to boil it. It's gonna all work out. So I'm putting 3 cups of soaked peas into a skillet, and then we have 6 cups of water. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw that on my stove, and I'm gonna do that over, my heat is at 5, so that's medium heat. And I'm just gonna let that cook for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna check on it, of course, but I'm gonna cover that down. And then we're gonna go ahead and start on the turkey necks because we're also gonna be boiling these as well. See that? Fill with water. Okay. All right. And like I said, we're gonna put this over medium heat. And we're just gonna allow those to boil, cook, do its thing, and we're just gonna leave that alone. All right, y'all, so while those are on the stove boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my spinners that are gonna go into my stew. So we got some all-purpose flour, and we're just gonna pour some flour in here. All right, y'all, so now that my peas have been cooking for about 50 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add in 1/4 of cream coconut. This is the package right here from Grace. Go ahead, see that's boiling up. And I'm just gonna go ahead, put this in here. Cool. And I'm gonna put that in along with some green onion, AKA scallop, as we know it in the Caribbean. I'm just gonna mix that in, and we're gonna also just let this cook down some more. And I'm also gonna go ahead and start seasoning up this stew mix right here. I'm gonna use some pepper. And I'm also gonna use about a use as much salt as you want to use. But personally, I am going to use about this much, so it's like half a tablespoon of salt. Don't want it to be too salty. Awesome. And then I'm also going to add some seasoning salts. And I have Lowry's. Get out the way. Cool. All right, y'all, look at that steam. I got my turkey neck red pea stew, the Scotch bonnet pepper. I got the peas, the turkey neck. Y'all, I'm about to dive in. This is gonna be great. Served over some white rice, and I'm gonna do some broccoli on the side. Ooh, I cannot wait to dig in, y'all. This is gonna be absolutely amazing. Well, y'all, I wanna thank you all so much for checking out yet another video with me. Please, y'all, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any of the latest content. And until the next video, y'all, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I